Hello everyone. Today we will learn and discuss and create also how to create your like campaign for your mortgage loan service. So look at that. There is a many option here: the awareness, traffic, engagement, lead, app promotional sales. So basically there is a like campaign. So we select our engagement option and just continue here. And look at that, there is the two option here, the also the advanced plus and all the manual setup. So we select the manual setup here, and now we can create our like campaign for your mortgage loan service. So first of all we select our name. So I put down the copy and paste here our campaign name, and look at that, there is a budget option here. So I select the campaign level budget, so that's a very no normal things. And also we select our daily budget. Our daily budget in manually the $10 also. So now the important part is there is a category option here. So basically different type of loan service here, the real estate industry, the political industry also. So there are the special category options. So we just create select the housing. So housing is dependent on the mortgage loan service, the category of mortgage loan service, and our country is the United States. So our campaign label setup is almost done. We create our campaign name, our daily budget in $10, and select the category option, the housing. So now we can select the next option, and look at that, there is our second part is our asset level and or the audience level. So now we first of all I create our asset level name. So I create just the asset level name, and look at that, there is the conversion level goal by conversion location. So look at that, there is a many option here, and I select the Instagram and Facebook. So there is a new update here also. We look at that, there is the first so look at that, this option is not longer available for. So previously we select the directly our like campaign. So right now we don't select our like campaign. So the main things is Meta just new update here, and Meta said that we just use the maximum number of Instagram profile visit or Facebook page visit. So now audience just audience just go down our Instagram or Facebook, and they can follow us. So when they can choose very so people just go to our Facebook page and Instagram, and they can look at that our content, our service, our product. So they can just realize that they're very important for us, so they can also follow of me, so follow us of our page. So right now I don't use the Instagram, so just simply I use the Facebook. And look at that, this part is almost done right now, and I just select our location here. Select our location here. So I run our ads in Philadelphia is America. So I select the Philadelphia here locations, and we select our Philadelphia, the location is the 15 kilometers. That's enough for us. And right now we select our audience segment. So there is a 3 option here, so we use the original option. So we just create the continue here, and there is many options here, and we don't select our age group, because we select our the first part, the campaign level part is category option. So that's why we don't use the age group and the gender. And we also select the our Instagram interest based audience. So just go to the audience segment, and that is the qualityful audience for our for our service. So we just use the home equality and home improvement, the first time home buyer, the home equality loan, also the very strong hook point and strong keyword for us. And there is the third option is the home equality loan for the credit. That is also the very famous keyword for the mortgage loan service, and the mortgage loan brokers also, and also the lender, and also look at that, also the mortgage calculators. So that's it, a very good point. And I just select the real estate property, that is very strong keyword for the mortgage loan service. So that is the many things also here. And we select the real estate industry also, because these people are interested for the buying home and state that. So this kind of people also the interest the home equipment loan also. Now we create the another is the Zillow. The Zillow is the famous keyword for the mortgage loan service. So just click add then the real estate. So this part is almost done. we select the our targeting options, but the targeting segment, the ad set segment. First of all, we select our Facebook, we select our ad set name, and we select the Instagram and Facebook. Also, the people just go to our Instagram or Facebook and they can follow us. So we just select our Facebook page, and look at that. We create our mortgage loan service. The location here, the location is American Philadelphia, and we don't use the age group or gender because we select the previously the campaign label is the special category, and we select the simple or very strongly some keywords, and we don't use any placement because the Meta already knows that what kind of people are more interested for your placement, so they can also they use it. So I don't select any kind of placement internally, so this placement is very much good. And now we can select the next option, and our main part is we can create the content here. So look at that. We suffer, first of all we select our content name, the name in the video one, and we use the single image or video, not only carousel. So first of all we select our video. So just go to our Facebook page, and we select our Facebook, our content. So there is many content here. We just use normally use this type of content. Okay, and we use the primary text. So first of all we put down our primary text here. So that is our primary text. We previously write that, and now we can just put down here a little bit adjustment. There is more space here, so just remove the space, and that is the perfect. Now we can select the done options, and look at that. I also use the thumbnail for this video. So just go to the thumbnail options and select the manual, and also look at that these two thumbnails is available here. So I just use these thumbnails, and now we can see that our and also you can select the Facebook pixel. So pixel is not very not very important for the like campaigns. So look at that. Our ad label is also done, and see that what kind of placement our ads Meta showing, that what kind of audience segment. So look at that. This is the Facebook page, the Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Instagram story, the Facebook story, Instagram reels also. Then look at that, what kind of views are audience views, audience viewer segment. So look at that. There is the option here, the Facebook visit our Facebook page. So very interesting things here. So now we can just back it that. So look at that. That is a segment, and also I just use another content for our like campaign. So I just select that, and look at that, and we just write down the second video. Okay, the video option 2, and we change our main video, and we select this content also. Okay, we change our contents and select the thumbnail options, and look at that. There are many thumbnail here. So simply we choose another one, only this one. So this one is very much perfect. That, so we select that, and look at that, our campaign setup is almost done. So first of all we just review that. We use the engagement campaign. Look at that, our action, our engagement. We select our campaign level budget. The daily budget is $10, and we select the special category, the housing. Then we go to our targeting segment, the main segment here. So we just use the interest based audience, and we select our Instagram and Facebook and maximum number of visitor Facebook page, and we select our some of very much important keyword for the mortgage loan service, and we don't use any kind of placement here. The Meta also know that what kind of placement is very much important for this mortgage service, so we don't use any kind of manual placement. And right now we use the one content here, then that is the another content, and we use the same primary text, the both of the content. So look at that, is very pretty simple. But we have that any question for this like campaign, how to run the like campaign for problems anyways, so you just knock me on my WhatsApp. So it's for today guys. I hope you can understand properly. So let's see the next video. Thank you.